How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the German Elite Tuning YouTube channel. My name is Brad, and today I'm going to install this new radio in my sister-in-law's MK6 Jetta. It's a 2011, and her radio will not turn on at all. I've had tons of time trying to figure this thing out, and I've done all the tricks I know how to turn them on, and it's just completely dead. So we're going to install this RCD330 radio. Got it on Amazon, and it actually looks like it's in really good shape. These come from China, and it has Apple CarPlay, it has Bluetooth, it has Android Auto capability. It's got all the media in stuff that the newer radios have, USB port in the front here, and I'm pretty excited to get this thing fired up and see how it does. I'm going to put the link to Amazon right here. This is the one I used to buy it, and came in a couple days. Really fast shipping. It was packaged very, very well. It also came with this cable to convert for video, which for backup camera. You might be able to put a normal video feed through it, just no audio. And then this adapter if you need it for the antenna. First thing we're going to do is remove this faceplate here. There's clips kind of all around it. They do pop off fairly easy. You can use a plastic bone tool or something pretty thin so you don't damage the plastics around, and pop that off. There will be a connector that's plugged in right here, and what this is the passenger airbag off light. So if someone's sitting in there, this light will turn on or off depending on if someone's there. And so disconnect that. Then we're going to undo the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, for the radio. And you just grab the radio, wiggle it, pull it out. I put a cloth here so that it protects the shifter. All right, we'll look behind here. We got the connection for Sirius satellite. We got the antenna connection and the bulk connection for the power and speaker wires and any media in you have. So these ones you pull out on this tab here, push down. Same thing with this one, pull out, push down. These are kind of weird, so you squeeze this bottom part and lift up like that, and the radio unplugs. So usually this fuse will blow, or the fuse and the fuse panel for the radio will blow if there's something wrong, but both fuses are good and the radio just refuses to turn on. So that's kind of one of the problems with these ones, and we replace them a good amount. This has the 6-disc CD changer also, and so I think she might have a couple CDs. I don't know if we'll be able to retrieve those, but I may have to take it apart. All right, let's get the other one installed and see how it does. Well, we ended up needing the adapter because we have 2 antennas here and only one for the back of this radio. So plug the adapter in, and on the back of this radio, so she will not have satellite, which I think is fine because she's not using satellite anyway. So go ahead and plug in this guy. Let's get to focus here. So plug it in and then clip this little tab down, locks it in. Okay, this one we might need 2 hands. So these release tabs, you gotta squeeze them, and then this whole thing slides up like this, and they can be kind of a pain to get in. So we put the camera down and we'll pick it up once it's plugged in. And it's all secured, clipped in there, plugged in. So we're gonna kind of feed it in. Looks like it already turned on. Okay, push that in there like that. And it's up and running. It looks good. We'll do media. No source available. Apps. Nice. App Connect, Mirror Link, Apple CarPlay. What was this one? Badu Car Life. Huh. Might be an app. I'll have to look and see if there's an app you can download for that one. Maybe that's like a mirroring app, kind of like a Mirror Link or Android Auto. Cool. Let's get it buttoned up. So we're gonna secure the 4 screws and clip the faceplate back on. Remember to plug this guy in, this connector down here. If you turn the key on with this unplugged, it will set a fault in the airbag system, so make sure to not turn the key on with this unplugged. Radios will turn on without the key on if you just hit the power button. So make sure this guy's plugged back in, and then we'll get a USB cord and see how everything does. I got the phone plugged in, and it's asking if we want Apple CarPlay or this other one. So we'll click Apple CarPlay, and it'll connect here. And Apple CarPlay fires right up. Gives you all the settings that normal Apple CarPlay will have, which is great. See all your apps. You do the split screen with maps. So it's pretty awesome. Functionality is identical to any other Volkswagen factory radio with Apple CarPlay, and plus you have all the other options if you wanted to do media, Bluetooth audio, and obviously phone. So overall, so far, this is a great radio for the money. It was a little like $260, which you saw in the ad I purchased it from on Amazon, and it was an easy install. Plugged right in, fired right up, didn't have to do much. I'm still probably going to check the coding just to make sure, but it doesn't seem necessary. Overall, this is a pretty awesome radio. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.